Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me Marbatian and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back any new watchers and new subscribers. Yeah, so this is my beauty look because I didn't really want to do a beauty look for my Christmas collab and advent calendar 2019, but I decided, you know what, I should, because I don't really do beauty looks really. I kind of do like beauty looks mixed with some gothic, some horror, just a twisted beauty look sort of thing on my channel most of the time. I don't have to do the lips or anything. My teeth look very weird right now. The whole premise is, this is Christmas! And it's Yuletide, and yeah, I'm really happy with this look, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Okay, let's go on to the tutorial. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows, and then we are going in straight away with the shade Social Blade by James Charles and Morphe, and I've just used a angled brush, and now I'm going in with a flat tapered brush to create my first shade and blend. So I'm just going in a few times just to get the opacity the way that I need it to, and then I'm going to blur out the edges of that at the top with a fluffy brush. Going in with now Daddy. We're going to place Daddy on the inner corners and the outer corners, and we're just going to continue to blend, trying our best not to put so much of Daddy in the middle of our eyes, because we are going to be cutting our crease, and sometimes when you cut your crease and you've got not concealer, you've got eyeshadow all over your eyelids, yeah, it just sometimes doesn't work. But as you can see, I tried my best and I left a little gap. Anyway, going on with some concealer of my choice, I'm creating a cut crease. I'm not doing an over dramatic cut crease, I'm just kind of doing a natural cut crease. And then I'm going to go in with the shade, which I believe is Halloween. So I decided to go in with Halloween and create this look because, you know, these are Christmas colors, you know, red and green, and I chose to do green just because of Yuletide, and red, well, because of Coca-Cola taking over Yuletide and Santa Claus or St. Nicholas, you know, so therefore I'm creating that look and blending them in together to create this whole beauty look. As you can see, I'm just going over the shimmered eye shadow with the same green, and then we're just going to go over and do the red side, and we're practically going to be doing the same thing. So the shades that I'm using to do this, so the first shade is Rusted, and then I will be going on with You're Kidding, and then the shimmery shade that I do use in this palette is Guac. Yes, didn't know James Charles liked guacamole, but whatever. So going in with my foundation of choice, I'm just going to place that all over my face using a damp sponge. And today, obviously, you can see that it's sped up just a little bit more than usual, just because I'm trying to save some time, because this was quite a long video for some weird apparent reason I do not know of. But yes, it was a very long video to record. Anyway, guys and Marbites and Homo sapiens out there, I hope you're enjoying the tutorial so far. Don't forget to go and check out Tiarna Ellen's channel and her Twitter and Instagram pages, which you would have seen from the first and intro video of the series.
And just remember, when I'm doing these tutorials, I'm talking to you as a friend. I'm not talking to you as a, ooh, let's just, do something, whatever. Clearly, a lot of people are watching YouTube these days, so doing tutorials, sometimes I feel like, for myself, I might as well just be your friend teaching you how to do something and walk you through something rather than being all technical, because I feel like some of the technical terms these days have been dumbed down and are being changed. Right now, I've just put on 2 concealers, by the way, so you can see that I put on a lighter one and then I go over it with a darker one, more of my shade, just to make the under eyes look brighter than usual. Anyway, we are just going to continue to blend that, and as I was saying, I don't specifically like doing tutorials where you feel like you know nothing at all, because I'm aware that some of my viewers are people who don't know how to do their makeup or know the basics. But if you're a viewer who knows nothing about makeup and you're enjoying my channel right now, let me know in the comments down below what you would like more from me, as in terms of doing tutorials, and if you want me to be more specific. Going in with that same red that I used as my secondary base color on my left eye, I'm just going to create a nice shadow blur on my lower lid, and I'm going to do the same for my left eye with the green. Did I say left eye on the first one? I'm not too sure. Whatever. Anyway, we're going to do that, and then we're going to move on swiftly. So we're going to move on to highlighting our inner corners, and I'm using a Q-tip to do so, but you can use a brush if you choose to, but I feel like Q-tips for me are really tiny and they pick up a lot of product, so I don't have to keep dipping and dipping. Anyway, yeah, so with my lips, because we're going to get there in like a few seconds, with my lips I decided that I wanted them to look kind of like a berry, like a cherry that has like a greenish tinge to it, like it's not fully ripe but it is ripe enough to eat. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So I went in with a red, and this, what I'm using right now, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and then I created that red lip, and obviously I wasn't happy with that red lip because I had like a berry envisioned in my mind, like I already had that imprinted in my mind, so I wanted to use a green, and I had to mix a blend of green for my inner lip. And then once I saw what that looked like, and because these lipsticks are quite matte from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I wasn't happy with it and I wasn't too sure what I should do. However, I did go on top of that using some gloss, but that will be at the end. Right now I'm just like, oh yeah, this looks fine, this looks okay, let me just continue with the look. And then I go and highlight underneath my eyebrows, and then I do my nose, and then I highlight the rest of my face just to make the look a lot more poppy than it is right now. And if you look at me closely, I look decent, but look at my hair. Just look at my hair. My hair is a real mess right now, but I'm just going to switch that up, and I'm going to do my hair and make sure that I look decent to be on camera afterwards. I find it very funny that your hair plays such a part on your makeup transformation sometimes, or your makeup is the transformation itself. However, for me, I feel like my hair is always the transformation of the makeup. See how much more sleek and put together I look when I brush my hair back rather than just wet my hands and pull my hair back, whatnot. Anyway, this is the end of the tutorial, and I hope you liked. Outro.
So guys, that's how I got the look. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to this channel, Planet Marbasia. We are almost at one of the milestones for the channel, and I hope I can get there in the new year or before. And yeah, if we do, there's going to be so much more. Not that I'm not actually going to do anything more, because I got some stuff coming for you in the new year. But hopefully, if I can start getting paid actually on YouTube, I can start doing stuff for you guys that I have never done before and I have never seen before on YouTube. So yeah, exciting times are coming. Anyway, ciao for now, Homo sapiens, and I'll see you in the next video. Woo!
Rogue Molly Scott.